everybody. Here's our weekly video, or nope, not a weekly video. Here's the video for how to do your first short answer response. And this short answer response happens to be where you're going to compare Malu, our character from the first rule of punk, to Rufino Tamayo, who is a Mexican artist, or was a Mexican artist. And they do have similarities. They must have similarities because I'm asking you about it. I'm literally saying in the title that they do. And I would not be just saying that to mess with you. So if I'm saying that they have similarities, that means they do. So that's like one step in. You don't have to go, okay, well, what if they don't even have similarities? No, they do. Let's find them. So the prompt then is, in what way are they similar? You're going to answer by restating and answering. This will become your topic sentence. Okay, you're going to do this right down here. So, and you notice I've already set it to be red for you, so leave it red. Okay, so I'm going to restate and answer, and I'm going to say, Malu. I'm definitely going to use the characters and the artist names. I'm going to use the names of the people that I was asked about, right? So Malu and Rufino Tamayo are similar, right? And I can go one of two ways with this. I can do a period and then make a second sentence, even though it says topic sentence. I could make it a second sentence and then say what way they're similar. That's one way to do it. I'm going to go ahead and keep it as one sentence. And I might say in that they, and then I'm going to put they both love dogs. That's not correct. Don't say that as your answer, right? So I'm going to highlight this to show, nope, not the right answer. Don't do that. Okay, but that's mine. I am going to use a period, and I'm going to use, and I'm going to spell correctly and capitalize my character or artist names, my subject names, okay? Now I'm going to go find a quote from each text that proves that they both love dogs. Pretty simple, right? So notice on this one, you can't copy and paste because one's a text, one is a physical print book, and the other resource is the ReadWorks, which you can't copy and paste from. So you're just going to have to be really careful to spell and copy things exactly correctly. So notice here it says delete this and put your quote here. That's what you need to do. And you need to leave the formatting, guys. I'm going to really be grade hard on this, okay? So I am going to highlight just those words. I am going to leave, let me make this even bigger. I'm going to leave the quotation mark, the comma, and the other quotation marks. I'm going to leave those because my awesome teacher put them there for me. So I'm going to leave them alone, and I'm going to type my quote in the middle. So Malu told her mom that she, oh no, that's not a quote, that's a paraphrase. Malu knew that she could never leave her 25 dogs. So she had to figure out a way to stay in Gainesville. This is not true. This did not happen in the text. I'm making this up. But if it did happen, I'm going to say it happened on page 12. Okay? All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing here. Period. So let's see. I'm going to just highlight the words. I'm going to leave the quotation marks, leave the comma, leave the other quotation marks. And I'm going to say Tamayo. And from here on out, guys, you can you only have to mention the author, the poet's, or I'm sorry, the artist's first and last name one time, which is up here. Now you're just going to refer to him by his last name unless the quote uses both his first and last name, in which case use that. But Tamayo loved dogs and refused to paint anything else. Again, that's not true. Now with the ReadWorks, I'm going to go by line, okay? And actually, I guess you can go by paragraph because this is not numbered. So just go by paragraph. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs. So I'm just going to say that that was in Paragraph 3. Again, not true. Don't copy this, okay? And then now what you're going to do is you're just going to write your SAR, your 2 to 4 sentence short answer response, SAR. And so you're going to copy and paste from here. Okay. So start with your topic sentence. All right. Now I'm going to pull one quote. Boopy bop. There's that. I might, though, add here my own sentence in black, like a glue type sentence. So I might say, Tamayo also loved dogs. And then now I can go and put my Tamayo quote. I'm copying and pasting because I'm awesome. And then boom, there I have, and I don't need a conclusion. Now I have a 1, 2, 3, 4 sentence short answer response. Now here's how I'm going to be graded. And so I'm going to check my work for that. Oh, I guess I could just make this short. Sorry, I just really don't like things being on separate pages. Okay. So let's see if we can get this whole thing here. Okay, so the first thing is cite textual evidence that supports an analysis of what the text says explicitly. Well, I think I'm going to get a 9 on that because I said that they both love dogs and both of my quotes show how they love dogs. So I think I'm okay. Following convention, spelling, capitalization. Guys, this is where it's going to get you if you mess up your quotes. Do your quotes correctly. Look at this video again if you need to. It is a formula. Just use the formula. That's it. That's all I'm grading you on this time. Okay? All right. I hope this helps. Love you guys. Bye.